Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video, we shall take up a question related to compound interest. So let's start with the question. Harvinder deposited rupees 40,000 in a post office for a period of 3 years. The post office credits interest yearly in his account at 7% per annum compounded annually. Find the balance in his account after 3 years. So this is our question. Let us first study it. Harvinder deposited 40,000 in a post office for a period of 3 years. That means the principal is 40,000. That is the amount of money which we deposit is our principal. Time period is 3 years and he will get interest at the rate of 7% per annum compounded annually. We have to find the balance in his account after 3 years. That means we have to find the amount which will be in his account after 3 years. So let's start with the solution. Principal for the first year is rupees 40,000. Now interest for the first year will be calculated at the rate of 7% on principal of the first year, that is rupees 40,000. For calculating the interest, we shall apply the formula of simple interest for 1 year. Simple interest formula is PRT upon 100. Now we shall substitute the values. We shall write 40,000 as principal. Rate of interest is 7% and time period is 1 year. So 40,000 into 7 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 2,800. So this is the interest for the first year. Now we shall move to amount at the end of first year, that is the addition of principal of the first year and interest of first year. So 40,000 plus 2,800 is equal to 42,800. This is the amount at the end of first year. Now we shall move to principal of the second year. Amount which we had calculated in the first year will become the principal of the second year. So that is 42,800 is the principal of the second year. Now we shall calculate the interest of the second year, that is at the rate of 7% on this new principal, that is 42,800, and we shall use the simple interest formula for 1 year. So PRT upon 100, which is equal to 42,800 into 7 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 2,996. This is our interest for the second year. Now we shall calculate the amount of the second year, which is the sum of the principal of the second year and the interest of the second year. So 42,800 plus 2,996 is equal to 45,796. So this is the amount we have calculated for the second year. Now let us move to third year. Now the amount which we had calculated in the second year becomes the principal of the third year. So our new principal now is rupees 45,796. Now interest we will calculate at the rate of 7% on this new principal, that is 45,796. We shall apply the formula of simple interest for 1 year, that is PRT upon 100, which is equal to 45,796 into 7 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 3,205.72. Now we shall calculate the amount at the end of third year, that is the sum of the principal of the third year and the interest of the third year. So it is equal to 45,796 plus 3,205.72, which is equal to rupees 49,001.72. So this is the balance in his account after 3 years, that is rupees 49,001.72. So hope you have understood this question and the various steps which are involved in finding the amount after 3 years. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching the video.